This 8-channel GW security system delivers very sharp ultra-high-definition video, so faces, license plates, and small details remain clear, even when you zoom in on recordings. The package combines 4 bullet and 4 dome cameras with weather-resistant metal housings and built-in microphones, making it well-suited for mixed indoor and outdoor coverage with recorded audio. Strong night vision performance with infrared illumination out to roughly 100 feet keeps driveways, yards, and entry points visible in low light without needing extra lighting. The recorder includes built-in power-over Ethernet ports, so a single network cable to each camera handles both power and data and makes installation much cleaner and easier than separate wiring. Smart artificial intelligence features, such as facial recognition and human or vehicle detection, help cut down on nuisance alerts and make it easier to find important events in playback. Remote access through smartphone applications and web browsers, plus a pre-installed hard drive and support for large additional storage, makes this system practical for continuous recording and checking in while away from home.